So we've all seen that perfect sine wave output that you get from the grid, but the question is, the 12,000 XP, does it have that same quality output with it being a high-frequency inverter? So what we're going to do is start with minimal load and then go all the way up to max load, and you're going to see it on the scope, see what that sine wave looks like. So is it live or is it Memorex? Let's find out. Here's the output of my 12,000 XP. So it is under very little load. Let's see where it's at. It's essentially just powering the lights. And as you can see, it is nice and pure. And we're pulling about 750 to 800 watts. Next, we're going to power on the mini split, turn on the lights in the shop, and turn on the second mini split. We'll also turn on this heater, and then we'll check and see where it's at. With all of this on, the output is now 8,200 watts. Batteries are at 94%. And the sine wave is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's even a little bit clearer under load than it is when there was very minimal load. And that is typical for high-frequency inverters. They like to see a little bit of load before they give their cleanest output. Now let's bring this thing up to 12,000 watts, see if there's any difference. We're going to turn on this electric heater. Okay, we're going to put this heater on high. This should bring it up to 12,000. It is now at warning for overload. We are at 12,200. Look at that, still rock solid. Now the light's back to green. We're only pulling 4,000 watts on it. Battery bank is at 92%. And then once again, there's that perfect sine wave. So now to answer the question, is it live or is it Memorex? Well, that looks pretty live to me. So if you're looking to pick one of these up, they were $25.99. Now they're $18.99 on Signature Solar. And it's the version 2, and you saw the version 1. Also, check out windsolarforum.com. Got links for both below. Go ahead and post something in the forum. It's a growing forum for this channel. A lot of great people in it. Hope to see you there. Thanks for watching Mike Solar Garage.